Here I'm going to show you the route that we took on our kayaking trip to the San Juan Islands in the state of Washington. So the trip began in Anacortes, where I boarded the Anacortes ferry, and for that reservations were absolutely necessary. So I was in line at 4:45 in the morning and caught the 5:30 ferry that left Anacortes and sailed to Orcas Island along the path that you're seeing here. Once I arrived in Orcas Island, I drove to West Beach Resort, where I waited for the rest of the party to arrive. Once the group all gathered, we loaded our kayaks and paddled from West Beach Resort about 7 miles to Jones Island. There's a nice camp on the north end of the island. We went to another nice camp on the south end of the island that became our base camp, and all the excursions we took we returned to that base camp. We didn't set up camp on any other islands. On the second day, we circumnavigated Jones Island, and later we paddled to Yellow Island. Yellow Island is part of the Nature Conservancy, and you're not permitted to go ashore. We had lunch at McConnell Island and then returned to camp on Jones Island. On the third day, we paddled from our camp around Crane Island and to Deer Harbor. The primary attraction of Deer Harbor was that it offered ice cream and showers, though no one in our group availed themselves of the ice cream or the showers, but it was a nice paddle. After that, we paddled back to our base camp on Jones Island. Finally, the last day of the trip, we broke camp a little earlier than was normal for us and paddled the distance back to West Beach Camp.